ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well, guys. I hope you were able to get outside and enjoy the sunshine and the warm weather this weekend. It was awesome. It was great that we were able to have such warm weather. It almost felt like summer. It was fantastic. I know I got outside. I was able to take a walk around my neighborhood, explore a little bit, enjoy the sunshine. I was rocking shorts, a t-shirt, and sandals. It was great. I thoroughly enjoyed every minute of the warm weather and the sunshine, especially since I thought it was going to rain on Sunday. So that was fantastic. If you guys would like to tell me and share with me what you guys did over the weekend, please feel free to do that. I have the links for you to share what you did over the weekend using Flipgrid. So please go ahead and make sure you do that if you would like to. It's completely up to you, completely voluntary. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. If you want to, but you don't feel like recording yourself, you can type a message and kind of post it and let it play for a couple of seconds or a few seconds. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to put yourself on camera. It's whatever you feel comfortable with, guys, whatever you want to do. So please go ahead and share with me what you did over the weekend. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd love to know what you did and whether you were able to get outside or whether you were able to enjoy the sunshine and stuff like that. So please go ahead and do that if you feel comfortable doing it. So what we are going to be doing today, we're going to be going ahead and talking about the South today. So on Thursday, we talked about the North. We talked about what the North was like before the Civil War, before that lead up and before that road to the Civil War. Today, we're going to focus on the South. So I want us to go ahead and take a look at the economy, the society, and what the lives of some of the people were like in the South. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So the first thing we are going to do, I have a workbook packet that I would like you guys to complete. It's going to discuss the rebirth of the Southern economy and Southern society, okay, and kind of what Southern society was like, what the lives of white Southerners was like during that time period. Now, the packet is posted in Google Classroom along with the Google Slides. You will see it right here. It says the South workbook packet. That's the one I want you to do. It's not too bad, guys. It's a few pages. It's probably 6 to 8 questions. It shouldn't take you very long at all. You should have an easy time doing it. So please make sure you complete that. We are going over that on Thursday, just so you know, just so you are well aware. So make sure you find that. Make sure you have that. Make sure you complete that, please. So that's the first thing I'm going to have you guys do. The second thing I'm going to have you guys do is I have a crash course video that I'll talk a little bit more in depth about. It's linked to the fourth slide in this slideshow. So make sure you watch that. You don't have to answer any questions. You don't have to take any notes or anything like that. I just want you to watch it. It's going to discuss slavery and talk about what slavery was like in the South prior to the outbreak of the Civil War. So I want you to make sure you do that also. Today and this week, guys, just so you know, my office hours are changing up a little bit. I'm going to have office hours from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So if you need to reach out to me, those are the times you will be able to do that. I will reply to you as quickly as I possibly can. Speaking of my office hours, on Wednesday, I told you guys last week, on Wednesday, I will be going live. I will post a Google Meets where you can hop in and say hello, ask me any questions you may have. It will be during my office hours. My office hours then will also be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So please don't hesitate to hop into that Google Meets. I will post it in Google Classroom for you guys to access and to kind of jump into. So please make sure you go ahead and you access that so that I can talk to you guys and answer any questions you might have, or just talk to you guys and see how you're doing and touch base with you, since I haven't been able to do that in a while. So please make sure you go ahead and reach out to me on Wednesday, but also if you have any questions today, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Alrighty. So Like I said, today's lesson, there are 2 parts to it. Please complete the workbook packet posted to today's lesson along with these slides. We already saw where that was located, so you guys are all set. All you have to do is access that, and you can either write it on a separate sheet of paper, write the answers on a separate sheet of paper. You can type them up in a Google Doc, whatever works best for you. It's completely up to you on that one. I am not going to collect those answers. We're going to go over them on Thursday in our review lesson. So please make sure you are paying attention to and watching that review lesson for the answers. I am not going to go over them in a lesson in class. I'm not going to go over them Wednesday or Friday. I am going to go over them on Thursday, so make sure you hop onto that review lesson to get the answers for that review lesson. Okay, so that's the first thing I would like you to do. The second thing, please watch the crash course video added to the next slide about the slavery in the South. This is the crash course Slavery in the South video I would like you to watch. It'll give you a really good idea of what slavery was like, some really good facts. It's better than reading over the workbook packet, having another page in the workbook packet. I was trying not to kill you guys, so that's why I took and included this video, because it is a great video and it gives you a lot of information about slavery in the South. So make sure you watch that also, please. Once you have completed those 2 tasks, what I'd like you to then do is go ahead and go down to the Check for Learning slide, click on the Check for Learning link right here, and that'll take you to the Google form where you'll answer a question or 2, and that will complete the lesson for today. Okay? So, like I said, it's the workbook packet and the crash course video and the Check for Learning. There is no homework. There are no additional resources, just so you know. So as long as you do the workbook packet, as long as you watch the video and complete the Check for Learning, you will be all set. You will have completed today's lesson. Okay? One more time, just as a reminder, ladies and gentlemen, my office hours will be from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., and from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I hope to see you guys on Wednesday also to touch base and hop into the Zoom meeting and just talk or answer whatever questions you have. With that said, guys, have a fantastic rest of your day. And if you have any questions, reach out. Have a great day, guys.